Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well, and in this video we're gonna see how you can design faster with Figma AI and all the tools which AI has launched. So let's get started. So first, come to your Figma homepage where you can see the tabs like Design, FigJam, Slides, Buzz, Site and Make. So design is common, which you all have been used. So let's see FigJam. When you come to your FigJam board, there are many tools which you can start with your simple template. You can choose any one of them, starting with this, where you can change your name, title and even export the whole frame in whatever format you need to export. Next is Slides. This is used for PPT and pitch deck, where you can simply start from scratch or you can choose any templates of them. So let's choose this template. You can find inner slides in it and even you can customize it. Next is Figma Buzz. This is used for your graphic design things, for social media, for any events, Instagram, Facebook. You can choose any template of them or even you can make it from scratch. Here you can edit the text, export it into Figma, and you can even make this particular frame to any customized poster. Isn't it crazy? Just use this feature for your social media. Next comes Site. This is my favorite tool because this customizes you with all responsiveness in it, where you start with any of the template which is available. Let's say portfolio, where you click any one of them. Let's choose this one. So all the sections are there. Use this template. We click on that and this gives you the inner sections and of course in desktop, tablet and mobile, where you just edit in one go and it edits in everywhere. Isn't it great tool? This is for responsiveness in your particular whole screen which you are making. So use this as it's free. And the last and one of the greatest tool the Figma has launched, it's Figma Make. Just write a prompt like I want to make a landing page for my fashion design, and within fraction of minutes it delivers you a full responsive code generated screen where you can edit your colors, edit your styles, edit your brand guidelines as per your prompt. Even you can export it and share to your community. This tool is the greatest one among all tools. So use this because it's free. Even you can check your responsiveness as per your width and height. So अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, do hit that like button, do subscribe my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.